Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for always tuning into this channel. Thank you so much for choosing Ready Kid Foods. So, if you're new in this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Ready Kid Foods is a channel which deals with with recipes, African traditional recipes, modern recipes, easy recipes, quick breakfast tips, and travel and events. So, after subscribing, remember to press onto your notification bell so that you can always be notified when a new video is in. For the returning subscribers, returning viewers, thank you so much for your support. Otherwise, guys, today I'm back with some quick breakfast idea and let's do it together. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. I have nyama bat here. I have spring onions. I have all-purpose flour. I have salt to taste. I have some eggs here, and I have milk, and I have cornstarch and some sugar just to taste. So stay tuned. So I will start by cutting my so you can dice them in small pieces as in this. So guys, we are approaching Christmas season. This quick breakfast can help you. Please try it out for your family. So this is that, so stay tuned. All-purpose flour. Then cornstarch, then tablespoon of sugar, then salt to taste. I mix up everything. Milk to eat. So stay tuned. Make sure you whisk until it's smooth. It gets smoother than this. So stay tuned. This is the consistency I want. So stay tuned and see what I'm going to do next. These are my spring onions. These are my nyama bites. Stay tuned. So guys, I've just planed my breakfast pan. So what I'm going to do, I'll add eggs in there. Eggs in here. Salt on it. Then I will sprinkle some my nyama bites on them. Yes, this breakfast quick. It's very quick, very easy, and very nice. You have to turn it the other side. Make sure before you turn, make sure it goes well round easily, meaning it's well done. So you change, make sure it swings, then change. Now look at this other side. Oh, so delicious, guys. So make sure you press to ensure every part of it is well cooked. Then now you can take them out. Till that, I'm going to add this again. Twist them first to ensure that it can change easily. Then after this now, we are going to have this. We are going to take this egg, add it on top of this. So guys, you can look at my recipe. This is very quick breakfast idea. So stay tuned. So you can look at my recipe, looking so nice. So stay tuned. So guys, look at my recipe. Whoa, it's looking so nice. So guys, this is a very quick breakfast idea. It's not yet done, so stay tuned. These are the first one, so I'll just need to cover them up. You close them up, you close them up, you close them up, and then this one came so small, but it can do. So guys, this is my recipe, my breakfast. You can just look at this. Yes, you can see. how yummy, yummy, yummy it looks. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you try this out, especially this festive season for your family. It is very, very, very nice and tasty. Give my video a like. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye. Welcome.